I fig it up, dog. No wait one time, bang your line, you fuck, dog. Yeah, for just believe, you know. From black eye class, look what it done to. From black eye class.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to Linefoot TV, you know the man of peace. And me always set the violence off the streets, live in love, unity, and strength. Yes, man, you don't know the 18th of February, we say give thanks to life, health, and strength. Give thanks to another day. Anyone a day and more life and blessings, you know. Yes, man, and this one I know this vlog yeah, is about Jamal Dunce, man. Yes, man. You know, few of the fans them say them want to hear my view on it because them know me are the man of peace and thing, you know. Yeah, man, big up Jamal Dunce, man. Freedom is a must. Now, for one might wonder how me I say that. Big up Jamal Dunce, man. Freedom is a must. You know me are the man of peace. I will not wish bad for no man. You see me? Yeah, man, so. I don't know. I say a thing go.
Go for the bag, me never fumble. Dark, I'm in humble. Did I for bang your line, I want to run to. From black eye class, look what it done to. From black eye class.
We all have to learn from our mistakes, and everyone deserves a second chance, and you know what I mean? Yeah, man, but before we get into the reasoning, while I'm on my way to work, I'm going to please like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell and send this to someone who knows Jamal, is me? Yeah, so, alright, yeah, man. I'm going to please go check out my song, Nah Stop Try. Yes, man, we not stop try. We all need a chance in the music business. We need a blind, we need piece of the pie. You see me? Nah, stop trying until the day I die. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, man, so Jamal Dunce, man, was arrested on Valentine's Day after celebrating, I think, his birthday or something at Mecca. Yeah, some undercovers were in the building watching him. I think he has been under surveillance for quite some time. You know what I mean? Them say he's the leader, a part of a gang called the Dunce gang, allegedly.
And the whole of me fancy me, I do it from then. Do music, I'm a scammer, me no sleep from.
Breakthrough in the music business. I must admit, I like some of his music. I like the song that we must sing, you know, never give up, dog, you know, stop trying. All of them things there, you see me, you don't know. People them say Dunce, and me say Bright, you see me? I say you them fully Dunce, you know. You them give up in a classroom and them thing, you see it? Everybody say them Dunce now and them things, so you don't, I'm the opposite way of that, you see me? The negativity, but we like the song, and at the end of the day, them song they are both them long start trend. The good song them me I sing and other people, them take longer forget that knowledge or forget the breakthrough, you see it? However, Jamal Dunce, man, get his breakthrough with the music, making money, eating food, with all rich already too. You man say the GLA forward 9.5. You see me?
The GLA go come dog a 9.5 when you see me pull up dog the moon top.
But no, when me I say with Jamal Dunce, man, he not learn. He is not learning. You see what happened with the artist name? Ritical end up in similar situation, held with gun in car. Tommy Lee, you see me? And other artists as well. When you get the breakthrough, your head of a screw on. I don't know if him have any advisor around him, where I give him advice, or none of him friend them, where I tell him say DJ, you have to wise up now, you have to smart up. Or any of his family, I tell him say that certain things what you used to do, you cannot do no more because you're now in the limelight, in the spotlight. Eyes are on you. Good and bad eyes are on you. Good and bad mouth are on you. So you have to change up your surrounding, change up your act or your move on them thing there. You see? So that is a mistake where Jamal made. You see me? Yeah. So in the limelight now, interviews, dub play, money I make. Why you have guns in the car, allegedly? Them say guns were found in the car, 2 guns or something like that. Allegedly, you see me? Why? If it is true, why? If you're even the dog, them a roll on the G, them, and you tell them, say, yo, look, we have all 3 cars around, split it up. We don't want no gun in my car, in my car. You see me? But you know, the police are watch you, and you them have more surveillance span. Whereas if them see you and all 4 or 5 men are going in a car, them are going to expect, say, they must have a 1 piece in there, you know. We don't see no license, firearm, bodyguard there. You know, split up the car, them have 3, 4 cars and all the gun and 1 car where I'll be a girl in a 2 woman in a. And that's the gun for them for now work with illegal gun. Even though we not support no illegal movement, you know, but you see me? I'm just saying, why, you see me? Why it has to be in his car? That's the mistake he made. And as I say, you have to change up the surrounding. Certain things we used to do, you don't do no more when you get the breakthrough. I feel in badness and them things. And badness and gang thing no work. Man, buddy. Badness and gang thing no work. You see me? Whereas when you become an artist, established artist now get a breakthrough. You see me? Yeah man, so I just say a thing man. Jamal Dunce man, wish him all the best. And you know, if you might get him, I don't know. Right now he's currently being held on to still in incarcerated, locked up until investigation completed, you know. But I just certain things said Papa. You know what I mean? Sorry to hear it, you know, but sorry to say, but just where they're lying it, you know? You see me? Yeah man, I work my day and I so big up on yourself, you're far up on the other side. Well, Emmanuel I Selassie, blessed love.
I am a Rick, you know, the man of peace. Me nah stop trying. Me nah stop trying. Me no care how long the journey take, how much setback me get. Me nah stop trying. Why should I? Yeah man, one day I must get the help my man and the real dead. Yes man, so we just want the youth them for, you know, wise up and open them eyes up, you know. Don't move like a channel star. Jamal Dunce man in the jail, you know. You know, if you have the youth them, you know, youth them not see him. Maybe him girlfriend and baby mother and mother go to visit him now, bring food for him and them things there. See me, commissary. When he did have him freedom and as me say, him come from one part of Mobile, so you know he's gonna be labeled worse if you're involved in a gang. Allegedly, you know. But tell you them gang thing no work, badness no work. You see police them now play from ready and them a slap with them on them. You see me? Once a name call them I come for you. You see, so that is just my take on the whole situation still, you know. Still I say I love the artist to forward the road and him name clear, but if him involved in that things and the police them find any evidence or any proof or any have reasons to hold on upon him or bring him to court or whatever, I just say go, you know. Innocent until proven guilty, and you know what I mean, guilty until proven innocent. You see, but the artists them just know say yo, when a boss and make it in a life, certain things they cannot do no more, like, you know, have no illegal weapon around you. They have no knife or, you see me? But again, the way you set your trend, you know, you spread the bed a certain way. If you're involved in the things, you're going to have your protection. But when you start making money, get illegal bodyguard, get security, hire security, and you know what I mean, have them run. You see, that's the things set now in Jamaica. You can hire your bodyguard, you know, your security team out there. Set an example of a cartel, you know, cartel endorse Jamal Dunce man. And from cartel endorse him song and sing it. The thing take off on a different level, you know. Yeah, so artists some of it just learn style. Follow a cartel example. The cartel has stay away from badness. Yeah, I just say a thing there, you know. But make up on yourself and you know a lion put man on face. See? Holy man and realize Selassie, blessed love. Have a great day. Post shots. Don't forget to like and share the content.